So at the rear of the trailer here on the driver's side is where our batteries and isolating switches are. So let's have a look. So we have two 100 amp hour deep cycle batteries. We have our next test date on this sticker, so be mindful of that to get them tested at Century or at Battery World. And here is where our alligator clips would go on to charge our battery. We have another video explaining what you need to do there to charge the batteries. And here's our main power board here. So we have our circuit breakers here, and we also have our main switch. At the moment, this is in off position, which is down. To turn it on, you just push it forward and move it across, and now the unit is on. If you have your trailer plugged into your car through your Anderson plug, you can still charge the batteries even though this is off. And if your fridge is in your fridge slide and your fridge is connected to the Anderson plug in the fridge slide, the fridge will still work. So you don't have to have this on for those purposes. So just close that up again.